Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 15. The main evidence that light rays travel in a straight line is that 1. Incident, reflected, and the normal lie in the same plane. B. 2. Says the pinhole camera. 3. Eclipse of the sun. And 4. Divergence of light rays. A. It says I only. B says 2 only, C says 3 only, D says 3 and 4 only, and E says 1, 2 and 3 only.
Now the main evidence that light travels in a straight line. Now we are told that light travels in a straight line. Now let's take each of these options. Incident, reflected, and normally real lie in the same plane. Now what it means is, let's say this is one plane. The incident, the reflected, and the normal. These are rays of light. This is the incident that is reflected, and this is the normal. Now this is the plane. They all lie in one plane. Now for them to lie in one plane, you notice that what these light rays are coming from in a very straight direction. Now the directional path of these light rays are straight. Like you can see here, it comes, it bounces off. Now, if it were not traveling in a straight line, the reflection of the light would be kind of impossible. But due to the fact that it is traveling in a straight line, you can see that incident at this point, reflected at this point, and then this is the normal. Secondly, we have a pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is simply a camera that uses the reflection of light phenomena in its own operation. Now, the whole idea behind a pinhole camera is due to the fact that what light travels in a straight line. In a straight line through the pinhole. The pinhole camera actually has a pinhole that helps to focus the light. Now, due to the fact that light can actually travel in a straight line along a straight line, you notice that what the pinhole camera can operate in its mode. Hence, it is an evidence that light travels in a straight line. Thirdly, we have eclipse of the sun. Eclipse of the sun. Let's say this is the sun. This is the sun shining its bright lights. Shining its bright lights. Now, it is usually noticed that if the earth is here and then the moon is somewhere here, due to the when there is a coincision between these three earthly bodies, you notice that what the sun showers its light on the moon, thereby casting shadows on the earth. Now, people within this region of the earth, and this is the earth, this is the moon, and this is the sun. Now, people within this region of the earth will hardly find light or will not see light. Now, this region of the earth will be dark. Now, you notice that what the light was traveling in a straight line. That's why when these three earthly bodies are arranged in a straight line, you notice that what we experience an eclipse. Now, if they are not in a straight line, let's say the moon is situated somewhere here, and then the earth is here, and then the sun is there will be no eclipse. But now, due to the fact that light travels in a straight line, if the moon is here, it will obstruct the path of the light, thereby casting the shadow of the earth. Now, you agree with me that eclipse of the sun is an evidence that light travels in a straight line. Now, 4, we have divergence of light. Divergence of light is simply the phenomenon that explains how light scatters from a point. How light scatters from a point, that's divergence. Now, this is the point. The ability of light to scatter from that point refers to the divergence of light. And you agree with me that this actually doesn't explain that, or it doesn't verify that light travels in a straight line. The path of the divergence might be straight or not. It doesn't actually verify anything when it comes to light traveling in a straight line. So now, from my explanation, the three valid points here, are actually number 1, incident, reflected, and normal lie in the same plane, and I explained. The pinhole
I say the phenomenon of a pinhole goes through or depends on the fact that light travels in a straight line. Also, eclipse of the sun, like I explained, but divergence of light is not the right answer. So we have option 1, 2, and 3 to be correct, and that's the same thing as option E. 1, 2, and 3 only are the correct options out of the 4. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.